Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to stop a background YouTube video now. First, open the YouTube app or the tab where the video is playing so you can act directly. Make sure you're signed in and note the playback state, paused versus playing in picture-in-picture. If you're on mobile, check whether audio persists after switching apps. Once you confirm the device and state, move on to disabling background playback or closing the session. That's where the real control lies. Now you'll stop background playback based on your setup. If you have YouTube Premium, open Settings Background and Downloads and toggle Background Play Off. This prevents audio continuation when apps change. On mobile browsers, swipe to the Control Center and hit pause or close the Browser tab to terminate audio streams. On desktop, right-click the Picture-in-Picture window to close it or mute and stop the video in the YouTube tab. Once done, finish by making sure the audio is fully stopped and the session won't restart. If sound continues, force close the YouTube app or quit the browser tab because lingering processes can keep audio alive. As a next step, sign out or revoke background playback permission in app settings and restart your device to clear caches. If problems persist, check for browser extensions or system audio settings causing autoplay. Troubleshooting tip: reboot and force close the app first. That resolves most persistent background audio issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.